Alright. In today's video, I just wanted to show how to make a speed portal. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. So first thing you want to do is kind of like clear yourself out an area where there's lava. And mainly you want to have at least one, two, three, four, at least 4 blocks of lava. 3 could work, just depends. But ideally, that's how much you want to have, like this right here. We'll do it there. Yeah. You want to have at least 4. That scared me. You want to have at least 4 of these blocks. And you want to have like an area dug out like this. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is pick 1 block like this. And then you're going to want to like put your water, I don't know, let's say right here. Okay? So you just put it right here, it creates like a little obsidian thing. Then you break the block you just placed, and it makes the bottom of your portal. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, right? Alright, cool. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 blocks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And then what you're gonna want to do, it's pretty simple, the block placement. Place down your water, and it should do something like this to where it doesn't go in the lava. But oh, hang on, you may want to... Hey, don't worry, it's not supposed to do that. Okay, it's supposed to like fill in your portal like this. The next thing I want to do is just grab some lava and start placing it on the outsides. So like, grab a source block, boom, grab a source block, boom. And then you can also place it, if you're wondering if you can break this, if you can put a lava here or not, you can. And that's what you're supposed to do. And then another one here. Then go back in, take out your water, and wait for it. You've got yourself a portal. Oh, hang on. I wanted to break that. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. It's a really simple process. And it's gonna help you if you don't like have the materials like diamonds, which I have diamonds, or stuff to get to obsidian. This is how you would do it. Alright, that's basically it. So if you like this video, I don't know, leave a comment saying I did decent. And we'll be back to our regular content soon. I just wanted to do this real quick. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully this helped. And once you like start getting like, after you study the tutorial and stuff and start getting like really used to it, it gets super easy to where you don't have to look back at the tutorial. And it just gets way easier because it's such a simple process. Alright guys, well, that's about it. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day.